Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn off the privacy password in your Realme 5 mobile phones. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, you're in settings, scroll down and find the fingerprint face in password. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in fingerprint face in password, okay, you can see the privacy password. Okay, click the privacy password. And okay guys, we need to enter the privacy password. And okay, we here in privacy password. In password management, okay, you can see the turn off password. So okay, you'll have to do is click turn off password, and the pop-up will show and turn off privacy password. When privacy password is turned off, you can no longer access app lock and private safe. Make sure that the data is removed before turning it off. So okay guys, you'll have to do is click turn off button. And okay guys, we need to enter privacy password again. And okay guys, we have successfully removed the privacy password in your Realme 5 mobile phones. Okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.